tater hat. Going to Dunkin' because that's what she wanted to do.
I'm trying to think of something different. We always get freaking tutors or chocolate chip pancakes.
I'm a simple dude. Yep.
But they don't have gluten-free donuts, so can't really get a Dunkin'.
Yeah, it makes me mad. Makes me mad.
Yeah, sad.
Yeah.
Be sad, but it's a beautiful day.
It's
9:48 and it's already 61 degrees, which is,
not a cloud in the sky.
is pretty warm for West Virginia in March.
Yes. The
I really
beginning
don't
of
even
March.
get this.
The beginning of March. Yeah, I took my jacket off. I had a jacket.
You take you to Fat Eddie's with us.
Oh, yes. Fat Eddie's opened yesterday. I'm so excited.
Me too. I don't know what we're going to do today, but we'll figure it out.
So
It's
be
gonna
outside.
Good, whatever it is.
Yeah, it's very pretty. Well, she is Dunkin'd out.
I messed up my first coffee. And usually I don't say anything because I don't like to be mean, but Cameron said I need to be more assertive, so
I'm proud of
I
her.
told him it was wrong. And they made me another one.
Very proud. And it was no problem.
No.
It's their job.
I feel kind of bad. Yeah, but you don't have to be mean.
No, you don't have to be mean about it. You're just being real.
I got a donut and bagel minis. Because I can't ever make up my mind.
Because she's indecisive. Now I'm going to get me my big tater. Not from that Tutors.
What's your favorite Dunkin' Donut?
Put in the comments.
What's your favorite Dunkin' Donut?
You talking to me?
No, he gets a gluten-free brownie. Usually.
Yeah, that they don't have anymore.
Oh, they don't. That's right. So he gets frozen hot chocolate for a drink. Because they don't have anything gluten-free.
Yeah.
Dunkin', step up your game.
Yeah, I'll have to put out a tweet or something. That's normally what happens. Somebody tweets something and then people make a change.
Never had a bagel mini before. I said a bagel mini.
What's the verdict?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah. It's good.
People want to know. Tell them about it.
It's good.
Ah.
The cream cheese is in the bagel.
Watch the road. After 2 hours, we're finally home.
That was me clicking my heels, but I can't jump because I have 2 drinks. So I just went,
Hey, I want to get inside.
you get the key and unlock the door. How about that?
Update, because we suck at that. What did we do? We had breakfast, went on a little walk with the family.
2.5 miles.
2.5 miles.
The cemetery.
And now we're celebrating.
With Fat Eddie's.
It's real smart. But they just opened, so remember, you gotta support local. You gotta support local.
Always.
So, that's what we're doing.
I'm starving.
I'm hungry. That big tater is gone. It's gone.
It's a beautiful day. It's 77 degrees.
Yeah, it is. Gorgeous day. Gorgeous day. She needs to eat.
Yeah, I did.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Oh, thanks, Dad. Yeah. Appreciate it.
Sorry.
I want all of it. All the ashes. Ash Wednesday. Oh, bro.
Blowing it.
Good job.
I don't know how smart that is right next to the pole. You know?
Too late now. Well, I'm sure Griff's got some wood somewhere.
We can't even see anything.
I mean, like, it was 60 degrees yesterday. 60 degrees.
Yep.
Sun, beautiful.
Now it is 25 degrees. Excuse my melted tarts that I left in my car.
Oh, did you have to show that?
Yeah.
Oh.
We're just being real with the people, you know. My cars don't always look beautiful. Sometimes you leave tarts and they melt.
In the hot sun.
Yeah. But now it's 27 degrees, so, or 25 degrees, so.
So now you really can't get it off.
Oh, okay. Yep. Yep. At the beginning of this vlog, it was 70 something. 75, like 75 degrees. And now,
Please look outside.
it is a winter wonderland. So we thought we would put these vlogs together just so somebody can experience West Virginia weather if you've never experienced it. This is 6 days apart. So yeah, that's pretty much the usual for West Virginia.
Bipolar weather.
Yep. And she's emotional.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Why are we driving like that?
Because I can't see, but this spot.
My wipers are frozen.
So they help a lot. They are really efficient.
Wow. Sass. Also, we're going out in the snow to deliver the charcuterie board.
Num num.
You gotta put the customers first, bruh.
Num.
Right? Customers come first.
It's our thing. Last night, it's your last day in the clinic.
Clinic wasn't so bad.
This is what the snowy day consists of for us.
Netflix.
Anyways, we're just sitting here watching Grace.
Pepsi.
Yeah.
And
We
then the beautiful snow outside. Just
Oh, there's a ring light right there in the front.
yeah. I mean, it was again 60 degrees yesterday, and here we are with cabin fever.
We don't mind it because we don't get to
I
stay home
don't.
very
Yeah, I
often.
don't mind it at
so
all. I love being home.
We're just picking out, getting fat and sassy, and watching Grey's Anatomy. So
Oh, that rhymed.
picking out fat
Yep.
and sassy Grey's Anatomy.
Never mind.
Nah, it's okay, fish. First of all, do y'all just ever sit in your car and headbang to a song for a few minutes before you come inside?
I do. Quite often.
That's what that was.
Quite often. Yeah, we were feeling that.
Well,
It's time for bed.
it's the end of the 2, I think. 3.
I was about to say this
3 days.
is definitely more than 2 days compiled into one.
But we were showing
The difference between
West Virginia
just a week, really just a day. Friday was 60. Saturday is 14.
but they were a week apart.
And snowing.
Like the really sunny day and the snowy day were a week apart. So,
Welcome.
yep. Now going to bed.
See y'all in the next
See
one.
you in the next vlog. The Lord bless you and keep you. Make his face shine upon you.
You gotta
Give
speed
you
this
peace.
up.
Amen.